With a new phone, you always want to protect your investment. For that reason, I bought this protective phone case made by ESR. This is the one with a kickstand, which is made of aluminum and very durable, as I use this until now. I mean this case for my Note 10 Plus and also for my wife's phone, iPhone 11. So through years of using this case, I would say this is very reliable case for what I need or what we need. Like most of the time we watch YouTube or Netflix using our phone during break time or lunch break at work. Let's open this box and we will install it here in our new iPhone Pro Max. We ordered this from Amazon and I think this is around 17 or 18 Canadian dollars. Okay. Alright. So see here. Okay. So nothing much. Just what's inside is this military grade protection. It says camera guard and raised screen edges and also air guard corners for some drop protection. I say this is really reliable case because I dropped my Note 10 Plus which multiple times, and it's also a big screen and a bit heavy and no damage for my phone. And here, let's see, this is very nice TPU case, and I think this is not much affected with the yellowish or yellowing of the case in the long term of usage. Mine has a little bit yellowish, but still you can see the color of my phone. And see here, this is a nice cutout. Good quality. You see no extra TPU or excess TPU cut. So it is made with the high quality standards. This is what I want with this kind of case, this aluminum stand. I bought before a long time ago. I used to have a phone case with kickstand which is made of plastic, so after a few months it got broken. But this is aluminum, which is attached to the aluminum part on the other side, and of course attached to this TPU case. Okay, so let's try this on. Okay. All right. Nice. Okay. Yeah. So raised edge. I don't know if you can see, but it's raised edge. So if you pull it down this way, as long as it's flat, as long as it is flat surface, your screen is protected. Anyway, your screen is made of Gorilla Glass. Still, added protection is really important. And you can see here your camera bump is leveled also with this with this raised edge of the screen protector, the back cut out. So it means when you put it down, be protected. And what's nice with this case is because of this raised level or raised part to give way for the kickstand, it made this one flat. No more rocking. Not much. Oh, there's a rocking if you press it from here, but yeah, from here. So if I press it from these three corners, you will not experience any rocking of the phone. But here, of course, this, because the camera is in this side and you have a level here, so this part don't have a raised edge that will make it stable when it's flat down. Still, let's compare it without the case. Okay. So you can see here. Okay. Of course, without the case, this is travel more. And okay, so both. I still have one here. Here, of course, no. Okay, so it's the phone again. I mean, with the phone case. Oops. Okay. So no more rocking of the phone. Here. Oh yeah. Okay, so here, if you press it hard from here, there's a rocking, but at least from this part, it will be more stable. But in the edge part of the phone, because of this, so from here to here, parts of the screen, it is stable. And on the outside, and then the kickstand, you can use it like this or like this, or this. You can use it like that one. But yeah, most of the time this is the best way of using it. So you have different angle and you have the access for the volume. With the screen protector, I will install a screen protector for this, and we'll see on the next video that I will post if it will be a problem, but I don't think so. Most of the screen protector are designed to be used with cases that can be bought if you need one. Okay. Buttons of it's responsive, you can hear it. This toggle is accessible, a bit deep but still accessible. Charging port. Charging port, let's try. It fits. And also have a cutout for speakers. Okay. So they also have, I think, black color or some other colors, but you can see the difference with the dark colored case and the transparent one. You will appreciate the color of the phone that you bought, like this one, this rose, this gold colored phone. Yeah, you will appreciate more of it, and it's nice. Doesn't add much of the size, or it did not make it too big to hold. Still feels the same. And because of this raised edge or raised part, there's more space or way to grip it. See, now just put your finger at the bottom so it will not slide. But if you have, you can do it like this. If you want to go at the middle part of the screen, this, you have the advantage of using this edge to assist in holding the phone. As I've said, I use it for 2 years already for the other phones that I have, and I will continuously use this case. This is not a sponsored one, but because of functionality or durability and with the experience that I have with this case, I keep on using it. And so that's it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and press that notification button so that you will be notified on my upcoming uploads. And be safe. Bye bye.